Despite the poor turnout at the center, Governor Obiano expressed satisfaction at the number of persons he met on ground, saying that he hopes people would turn out in larger numbers in voting centers across the state afterwards. He described the process as fair while commending the Independent National Electoral Commission, INEC, for the process.
This voting center is very peaceful and people are very anxious to vote. The queue is long. I hope it will be like that in all the polling booths. I encourage the youths to stay by, watch their votes counted, and also follow through to the collation centers and make sure that their vote counts.
At Otuocha Ward 1, Unit 001, with impressive turnout of voters, the Director of Anambra State Sports Development Commission, Chief Tony Lee, commended INEC, describing it as improvement when compared with what happened during the presidential and National Assembly elections.
Yeah, so far so good, even though early in the morning we had a challenge of the card reader, but it has been rectified. And voting has started, and if you look back, you can see the crowd. A lot of people came out today. I mean, it's quite an improvement, especially in the voter turnout. Like the previous one, there was a lot of voter apathy. Wouldn't know, but this is a great improvement.
On his part, at Mboko Public Square, Unit 007, Aguleri, the Commissioner for Works, Engineer Marcel Ifejiofo, said that voting materials arrived at exactly 8 a.m. and commended the conduct of the entire process.
There's an improvement, especially on the carrier, because we came and the time of starting, we started exactly 8 a.m. and we are moving on well.
From Aguleri, in Anambra East Council area, Ejike Abana, ABS News. Now, let me hand over to my colleague, Emmanuel Okonkwo, for more reports on the election.
Thank you, Ejike Abana. Meanwhile, the State Deputy Governor, Dr. Nkemo Okeke, has commended the Anambra for their massive turnout at the State House of Assembly elections, despite the outcome of the February 23rd Presidential and National Assembly elections. The Deputy Governor gave the commendation in company of his wife, Lady Obi, shortly after voting at his polling unit 003, Uluekwu Primary School, Enugu, Ward 2, Njikoka Local Government Area. On arrival with the Deputy Governor at some polling units, including Umuezuawovu Polling Unit 005, Ward 3, Uluobo Polling Unit 001, Ward 1, Obago Ulupaleke Polling Unit 009, Ward 3, Etitiawovu Polling Unit 008, Ward 3, all in Enugu. It was observed that both accreditation and voting were in progress. Deputy Governor Okeke, who appreciated the professional disposition of the INEC officials, charged them to ensure transparency and credibility in the release of the election results, expressing hope that candidates of the All Progressives Grand Alliance ABGA would triumph in the exercise.
Because the number I see here is all about us for the last 2 years. I believe that people will come out. We should do a trip against where the vote starts. Because that's what I
Some of the electorates who spoke to the ABS, including Engineer Daniel Ekene, Mrs. Echezona Udoka, Mr. Okechukwu Agbanu, Chin Okoye, among others, described the election as peaceful and appealed to the INEC to respect the mandate of the people.
The past is the past. This election is very crucial. We have returning officers who are going to be here to the end. Nobody's leaving until the results are announced.
Ndị INEC kwesị ihe ọbụla like onwe ndị hazipụ ọlụ oge ndị ahụ jeche dị ọlụ wetara ha result ka ha si weje na the field ha lụ ọlụ akwesị use that result ndị ahụ wetara ha wee mee ihe.
From Enugu in Njikoka Local Government Area, I am Emmanuel Okonkwo reporting for ABS News.